Hey guys, what's up? How are you? I hope that you guys are having an amazing one today. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Gerel, and in today's video we are going to be creating some looks using the Cosmos palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And just in case you wanted to see the color story one more time, here it is. And this is a palette that we're going to be using from Anastasia Beverly Hills to create a couple of looks. To be quite frank with you guys, I do not have like a specific look that I want to create. I just want to use the palette as it goes and just give you some ideas, some inspiration, and that is my goal for today. I don't think that I'm going to be talking throughout the whole entire video. I might just do a voiceover for you guys just because it is pretty late at night and I do have my toddler sleeping, and usually he hears my voice and he wakes up and we definitely do not want to wake him up. Not at all. But I am going to link all of the products that I'm going to be using for this video down below in the description area, just in case you guys have any questions. You can always find it down there. And also, if you use my links, they are affiliated, so I really do appreciate it if you do use my links. But if you don't want to, you don't have to. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into the video. But before we do, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not yet already. And of course, you can like this video because that definitely helps out my channel so much, and I really truly appreciate it. And you can also click on the little bell that will notify you whenever I upload a new video, which is every single week. And without further ado, let's get on to the video. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get started, and we're going to use the eyeshadow primer from Anastasia Beverly Hills, which is a really good one. And then I'm going to take the shade Mars, and this shade is going to go all over our crease, the outer corner and the inner corner, and I'm going to build that up little by little to the intensity that I like. And then to deepen things up a little bit further, I am going to take a dark matter, and this is a purpley kind of shade, and I'm really focusing that in the outer V. As you can see, I'm stamping the color, and then I'm going to start blending it in little by little, really on the crease and really keeping it low. And then of course this beautiful shade Mercury, which is like a gunmetal kind of shade. I'm using my finger to really work that into the eyelid, and really beautiful. And you can definitely leave it like this if you want to, but of course I had to take it a step further, and I'm going to take Quasar, and this shade right here is so beautiful. It's like a dual chrome kind of shade, and I'm going to add it to the inner corner and drag it into my crease, and also going to drag it on my lower lashes. And I did add the shade of Mercury on my lower lashes as well. But here is the final look of the first look. What do you guys think so far? I know that this look is definitely not wearable for a lot of you guys, but this is such a cool look to wear at night times, for like maybe, you know, to go out with your friends. That is just my take on it. But what do you guys think? Would you wear something like this? Let me know. Alright guys, so look number 2, as I am pointing to the eye that we are going to use for this look, and I am taking the shade Eclipse, and this is a really nice purpley kind of shade. This is a matte shade, and we're going to add it to the inner corner and the outer corner, and we're going to create that halo eye. I'm going to go back up with this color a couple of times just to create the intensity that I like, and I'm also going to do the same thing in the lower lashes on the outer corner and the inner corner. And then to blend things out, I am going to take this shade, which is Comet, and now using a fluffy brush and just really just blending those edges again in the outer corner and inner corner of our eye, on the lower lashes as well as on the top lid. Now going in with this really nice beautiful pinky shade, which is called Orion, and I'm going to add it to the center of the eye, and I'm just going to go back with the previous shades that we were working, just to make sure that we are blending things in. And to intensify that color a little bit more, we are going to take Supernova, and I'm going to really pack that, and really it shows up when you use your fingers. But now I'm using a little brush just because I'm trying to get it in the inner corner. Now I'm going to take a little tiny brush like this and work in the other colors that we were working with before, which is Eclipse and Comet, just to make sure that, you know, those colors are still showing up and it gives you that definition. But yeah, that is it for this look. What do you guys think so far? Let me know in the comment section down below if this is your favorite color, or was it the first one. I think this one is definitely a little bit more wearable and still gives you that ethereal kind of look. But yeah, all right guys, so I just show you a little bit more of the 2 looks right here, and this is it. So now going back to video. Alright guys, so here are the 2 looks that I was able to create for you guys tonight. I really wish that I had time to create some more, but unfortunately this is it. But I hope that it's helpful to you guys and give you some inspiration. Let me know in the comment section down below if you guys want more looks with this palette. That is it, my friends. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for your love, your time, and support. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and I will see you next time.